Let me show you how to properly use your VR glasses with any Android phone. First, let's briefly check out our glasses. So you see on the top we actually have various adjustment wheels, and this is basically adjustment for focus and also the spread of the lens. So essentially this is where we insert our phone inside. So you see you have this kind of arrow here, so that is obviously the center. You see you also have like padding inside there. So you see once I insert my phone it would look like this. Okay, and it takes pretty much any size Android phone. So this is 6.7-inch phone. As you see, it actually fits very well. You can even use smaller ones as well. And once you insert it, so you see we can actually see now through here. Okay, so also as you see, if you like rotate these tiny knobs, basically the lens come in or out, so that essentially allows us to focus basically and get the best clarity essentially. So once you start wearing these, start watching, make sure to turn these wheels, so this one and also this one, to basically focus just as you need to create the best focus. Also in the middle you have this another wheel that can be used to adjust the spread basically of both lenses together here. And again, so you simply wear it like this. Okay, so let me show you actually where to actually get basically content, what you can actually watch. So there are actually multiple different ways how we can actually use these glasses. First, I think the best place to get content is simply from YouTube itself. So we would simply open up our YouTube app, so on our phone. So we have to actually go through the app. So if you try it from the browser, it won't work. So again, simply download the YouTube app if you do not have already on your phone. Then in the search, simply search for VR video, and actually there are tons of different videos that we can choose from basically that are in this special VR format. So once you open some video, for example this one, so you see once you actually launch this video, it's actually like a 360 video here. So if I make it full screen, so you see as I move my phone around, it also like moves around, so I can actually watch around what's happening. So yep, absolutely awesome. So and if you want to basically engage this VR mode for these glasses, so you see you have this special icon here appearing in these videos that are compatible actually with these headsets. So you see once you press it, basically it creates like two special screens here. As you see also if I move around, I can obviously see around. So you see, for example, I can see the sky of that guy riding a roller coaster here. So you see how cool this is. So again, you can wear this and look around. So yeah, absolutely awesome. So you see also you have that line over here. So we are simply going to match to this arrow. Okay, so to this arrow over here. So simply inside, slide inside, and then we can really watch. So I highly doubt you'll be able to actually see anything in the video. So again, you will obviously see something actually once you obviously place your head inside here, adjust the focus, and then you'll be able to start watch the content basically. So yeah, the experience you get from this headset, I think it's absolutely amazing. Then also I can suggest you to simply go in the Play Store as well and simply search for VR games. There are actually like tons of different VR games as well. For example, some roller coaster games, also some like zombie games, also some shooter games. So again, you can literally walk around a room, for example. So for example, I have maybe this VR haunted house essentially. So essentially in this game, essentially you'll be walking around a room. Maybe some zombies will come up to you, try to scare you and stuff like that. So yeah, basically you launch these games, click for example play game. So as you see again that line, so you kind of have to look here. Again, most of the interaction will be for these games simply by looking at things. So you see as I move it around, so again I can simply like walk around this room. So it's extremely hard to show. But yeah, anyway, in this game I actually highly suggest this game. So you simply insert inside basically this headset here, and then you can wear your headset, and then you can simply like look around you, basically you'll be able to interact with it, with those things, by simply looking at the things as well. So yeah, this game is actually very decent. And again, there are like tons of monsters that are coming up you, scaring you. So again, it's a very scary game as well. Again, there are also like bunch of racing games that you can find in the Play Store as well. So again, simply search there. Also, it's possible to actually create your own VR content. So watch some pictures or videos. So for example, if you download this application called VR Media Player, so simply search for that. So again, so you see, for example, if you click on the image here, so you can open up basically the image in this format essentially, or also literally your own video as well. So it will transform basically in this special format. So you see, so I do not have anything here, but yeah, you get the point. Basically, you'll be able to look around, basically interact, not interact, but yeah. So yeah, I mean, the experience you can get from this headset is, I think, absolutely awesome. So again, if you're wondering if there's any special app that actually goes together with this headset, then no, there obviously isn't any special app that you need to use. So again, you simply maybe watch some content from YouTube, maybe download some games, or again, you can create your own content as well. By the way, also, if you're looking to get this headset, in the description I'll include a special discount link so that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and I really paid only around $1 with free shipping. So currently they have actually a special offer basically on this headset. So that is if you are new user. If you are existing user, I think the price will be then like maybe like $4, something like that. Anyway, yeah, if you follow that special discount link, it will lead you to the cheapest possible price on this headset. So again, yeah, I literally paid actually only a bit over $1 for this thing. So for this price, I think it's absolutely insane. Also, yeah, when you wear it, also I see also very comfortable overall here. And yeah, it fits pretty much any size phone here as well. So, so again, this is 6.7-inch phone. It fits great. Obviously also smaller phones. So you see maybe even like some 5-inch phone, if you have some old phone, also probably will fit here without problems. Anyway, good luck.